Good evening and welcome back. Hope you all had a profitable day today. It was certainly a fantastic day to begin the week with the profits equivalent to entire week, isn't it? So as per the setup shared yesterday, we were already aware of the indicative bearish move, a storm to be taking place, a trending day with a breakdown on the charts with the indicative targets of 1000 points and more. Now you all must be thinking that if we already knew so much, why didn't we go STBT on Friday? I must have been trading with huge quantities while knowing all of these things. Anyone with such skills and knowledge should be, sort of a millionaire by now, etc., etc. I did receive a couple of messages today as well. The answer to all of this is risk. A risk which is equal as losing your life. Even I used to think the way you are thinking at the moment. But trading is all about taking a calculated risk. Okay, no matter if you got 1 crore to be traded, but once that 1 crore is lost, do you have another crore to be again funded and continue trading? Again, if the same amount is lost, can you keep refunding yourself again and again? We all know the answer to it, right? With such mindset, if someone manages to gain in 8 out of 10 trades, the 2 wrong trades are enough for him to erase his entire gains along with the capital. So just correct your mindset. What you're thinking is not right and should not be followed. You will never be looking for any sort of jackpot trades, any trades which can turn around your entire financial status or issues. There should not be any sort of such expectations. Am I making sense to you? So doesn't matter how skilled or knowledgeable a person is, he will never risk everything on anything where there are probabilities of going wrong as well, resulting in losing everything and his future as well. We just created a quote, it seems. Never risk everything on anything. What I'm doing with the channel and training is something which is out of my passion for this specific domain. I got a vision in which most of you will become and play an important role in coming days. I will keep sharing the information or will keep cascading things that I'm planning at the moment. Sorry, I think this is a setup video and I just shared a bit of little gyan over to it. Now coming back to the Bank Nifty setup for tomorrow, that is 13th April. Before that, I will request you to please subscribe to the channel. Quite a few have started subscribing to the channel, but quite many at the moment are not yet subscribing, but they are certainly watching the videos. Please, nothing gets cost if you subscribe to the channel. It just help me in expanding the popularity of the channel. So number 1, pattern formation. So we had multi breakdowns today as we were expecting since yesterday. There has been a breakdown of head and shoulder pattern. There has been a breakdown of descending triangle pattern. We were expecting it to be breaking down, it to be hitting the targets, but we were already aware that even if it breaks down and even if it achieves the target, it is not going to stop here. It is going to drag deeper, which exactly happened today. So now where it is currently closed, the levels where Bank Nifty have currently closed, okay, this is not the level from where we can expect a reversal or bounce to be taking place. Okay, there will be retracement, there will be tidbit bounce, which is obviously expected, but this is not the level where it is expected to be making a reversal. I'm expecting further drag onto Bank Nifty. The near term or the immediate targets in 1 or 2 hour sessions is 29,000 on Bank Nifty, which is approximately 1700 points from the current market price on the spot. Now after 29,000 it will depend. Okay, after 29,000 it will depend exactly how it is turning out to be. Is there any sort of further indications of it to be indications or if there is any sort of intent which is being seen by a group of candles with the formations, with the aggressions. There are a couple of things. There are quite a many things. I go by the core of candlestick pattern readers and not by the named patterns. Okay, so quite a multiple things that I teach when I conduct trainings, and but my trainings are going through these things on a day in day out basis. So at 29,000 we will be again reevaluating the charts as to in terms of trying to gauge the intent of the trader as to what they are trying to or what they wanted to do or make happen on the charts. Then we will be deriving further targets onto it. I mean, I don't want to scare you with further targets. Let it happen. We will be having daily setups for sure. Let it happen. I will keep uncovering the further targets on the Bank Nifty or rather the indices on a timely basis. Okay. With respect to the entries that we are going to look for tomorrow, we will be looking to enter below the levels of 30,400 approximately. This was the level which we were expecting during the last hour of the session. If this would have been broken today, then we would have been expecting the further targets around 30,050 to 29,950 odd. But the last hour candle here that you see, this is not a breakout candle. This is not a breakout which is taking place. This is just the covering of your positions that you were holding for the entire day. Okay, for the entire day, the positions that you were holding, you just covered those positions, which is looking as if that there is sort of some reversal or some bounce to be taking place. So no indication of reversal as of yet on the chart. We are still bearish on the chart. If it breaks down tomorrow 30,400 levels, the immediate target that we are going to look for is of 30,050 to 29,950. Why this zone? Because this zone is going to act as an OI support, okay, which is 30,000 zone. But while looking at 30,000, okay, sorry, this is not 30,500, this is 30,000. Yeah. So looking at the 30,000 OI data, we just got 3.55 lakh of put shorts at the moment, 30,000, which is weak support. Okay, which is weak support. Most likely it is not going to hold when it is going to when it approaches to test these levels. So the target that has been derived for tomorrow is of around 29,600 to 700 approx. So 625 approx. This is the target that is being derived for tomorrow. Quite intuitive, okay, because if it breaks down 30,400, we are going to approach the zone of 30,050 to 29,950, 100 points zone where it is going to test the OI support. Once that gets broken, then it is but obvious that it is going to look for the next support, which is the next 500 points. So 29,625 to 29,550 odd is the level which we will be expecting tomorrow if it breaks down further. With that, we will be getting into the zone of 29,000. So 29,000 is the expected target that I'm looking for after this breakdown. Let's see how further it further moves onto the downside, and if there are any sort of reversal formation, that I will be keeping you updated and intimate you to get into maybe positional basis or get your hands into some good equity stocks. Number 2, OI support and resistance. We just spoke about that. I'm not sharing the long entry for tomorrow because in such market I'm not going to make any sort of long entries. There will be a bit of retracements, there will be a bit of bounce. If there are any significant bounce or if there are any significant reversal taking place, I will be suggesting the trade. But for tidbit retracements and tidbit bounce that is taking place, I'm not going to suggest any sort of long trade for tomorrow. Okay. With respect to OI data, 30,000 strike in terms of support is at yet weak support. 30,500 is also a weak support. 31,000, if at all it makes a bit of retracement, bounces to the upside, and there we got around 6.25 lakh of the call shorts, which is strong resistance. So even if it approaches or even if it tries to open a bit of gap up and trade somewhere around here, it is going to face the resistance and probably it will again resume the fall. 31,500 again got a decent amount of call shorts, which is again going to act as a resistance. Number 3, strikes that you should be trading for tomorrow. Now it depends upon how much gap down or how it opens tomorrow. But if it opens somewhere around below the levels of 30,400, so you've got the strikes of 30,400, 300, 200, 100 to be played for the put side. if at all you are entering somewhere near the levels of 30,000, so and if you see that 30,000 level is not getting held but it is getting broken further, so you can surely enter with 29,900, 800, 700 or 600 put strikes. Okay, the next 400 put strikes are only applicable if it breaks down the 30,000 OI support. If it is not breaking the 30,000 OI support, you are entering somewhere around here, so enter with 30,400, 300, 200 or 100 put strikes. For overall ground for tomorrow is bearish, as we just discussed. Overall trend is also bearish at the moment. Okay, we will evaluate the charts once Bank Nifty hits the level of 29,000, and after that we will be re-evaluate if there are any possibilities of it to be making any sort of reversals at the moment or not. So key things to remember that I keep sharing again. I'm not going to call it out today. You can certainly refer to the handbook. To get associated with me, you go to do two things. First, join me at 888 Trade Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box, where I take care of the technicals and prompt you on managing the positions in profit or loss while preparing you psychologically while you are in trades. Second, please do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for instant updates on the setup and stock picks. All the very best. See you tomorrow. Please do subscribe, and please, at least you are watching so much, so please give a like to this video. Okay, thank you.